NowWw.
Yes. I'm here sitting with the brother olive tree. We're sitting here having this thing. The question remains, when are you gonna come?
We had some of the best times of our life here. It's been beautiful. But
What do you say to the people who haven't seen or experienced this before?
this is peak level breakfast. I never had a meal like this. We put the tahini on everything, even during meals that maybe shouldn't even have it. But this right here is the most unique flavors and explosions in my mouth. It's got me going crazy. The way it explodes in my mouth, it blows my mind. This right here, peak 10 out of 10 dish. I give it a 10 out of 10, and I don't give 10s ever.
Like Japanese people, what a legend. You're 1, we consider a 10. Imagine he's 10.
My 10 would be at a level that pushes it into the 11, perhaps the 12 area, which that usually goes. We usually don't give those numbers out. That right there is something you could eat every single day of the week.
Be'ye utamata. What do we say before we eat?
NowWw.
Dabish.
NowWw.
Boom.